Solution of simultaneous equations by cross multiplication method. We have two equations and we will solve it by cross method. For example, we have equation number 1, 3a minus 4b is equal to 1, and the second equation 2a minus b is equal to 3. Now we need these two equations in the form of zero equality. For example, we move the number or constant 1 towards left side and this constant 3 also towards the left side. For example, the equation 1 becomes 3a minus 4b and 1 comes towards the left side, so the sign of this number will change to minus 1 equals to 0. This is equation number 1, and the next equation also like that. For example, 2a minus b, again 3 moves towards left and its sign will become minus 3 is equal to 0. Now we have these two equations and we have to solve it by cross multiplication method. We have to consider the coefficients of these equations with their signs. For example, we will write with the distance 3 minus 4 minus 1. Again we will repeat the numbers 3 minus 4 minus 1. Now equation number 2, the coefficients of the number, for example 2 will come down here. With a distance we write 2, the second term is minus b, so the coefficient of this number is minus 1, next minus 3. Again we repeat these numbers here, 2 minus 1 minus 3. Now in next step what we will do, the first two numbers and the last two, we hide these two numbers and we only consider these 4 numbers. And for example, we draw an arrow from tail to head, from tail to head and tail to head, again from tail to head and tail to head, tail to head. Now we write in next step, we use some coefficients. For example, it is a rule, we use 2 coefficients. We can also use the coefficients of this equation, for example a and b, but here I can use x and y. X with some distance, write y and then 1. In fraction form, with equal sign. Now what we will do, first we multiply from tail to head the number minus 4 multiply with the number minus 3. So we write here minus 4 multiply by minus 3. Okay. Now we use minus sign. Always we use minus sign here because we are multiplying these two numbers. Okay. Then minus 1 multiply by minus 1. Again we multiply next in next step minus 1 multiply with 2. Minus 1 multiply with with 2. Again minus sign like this, the previous one. Again minus 3 will multiply with 3. In the next step 1 over, we use this sign. The last one 3 from tail to head, 3 multiply by minus 1. Minus sign, we use again minus sign, and 2 multiply by minus 4. In the next step minus plus and 4 multiply by 3, it becomes 12. So here comes 12 minus sign, minus plus, so here we write 1 only. The next step y over minus 1 multiply to 2. The sign is minus because minus plus minus. Again minus sign, minus plus minus, 3 times 3 9. The sign is minus 9 here. In the next step 3 1 times minus 3. Again minus sign, 2 4 times 8 and minus 8. In the next step again we multiply minus or add the numbers. X upon 12 minus 1, it becomes 11, and y here minus plus, so plus 9 and minus 2, it becomes plus 7. In next step again minus plus and plus minus. The sign is here minus plus minus, the sign is the sign is plus because of the bigger number, so here comes 5. Again what we will do in the next step, now we will use the variable numbers with this constant number. For example, x upon 11 equals to 1 over 5 because we have to find the value of x and y, and y upon 7 is equal to 1 over 5. The value of x, 5x is equal to 11, and x is equal to 11 upon 5. So the value of x is 11 upon 5. Here cross multiply. 5y is equal to 7, or y is equal to 7 upon 5. The value of y is 7 over 5. So the solution set SS, we can write solution set of this equation is, for the value of x, 11 upon 5, and for y, 7 upon 5. So this is the answer.